Have you ever had one of those difficult homeschooling days where there seem to be more messes than lessons, more fighting than learning, and maybe you're just plain exhausted? Me too. There are two things that I've learned in my 20 years of homeschooling, and the first is that you've got this. You can do it. You have what it takes. You're in this for the long haul, and tomorrow is another day. The second is that homeschooling is mentoring. It's all about mentoring your children, and mentoring is a skill, and it's a skill that can be taught. My friend Kathy Malore and I would love to teach you how to be a better mentor to your children, your teenagers, your toddlers, and all the ages in between. And we have a training called Family Foundations. In this training, you're going to have a chance to create and solidify the vision for your home and your family. You're going to learn how to better relate with your children and others, how to create an inspiring environment in your home. We're going to have workshops where you get to practice having meaningful discussions, doing a document study. We'll have hands-on activities that you can practice some of these skills and then be able to bring them home to your family. Simulations, systems that you can apply, and really learn how you can overcome the roadblocks that you're facing on a daily or a weekly basis. You're going to learn how to individualize the education for each of your children. They're so unique, and you're going to learn methods for doing that, including having effective parent-mentor meetings. Kathy and I invite you to a 2-day Family Foundations seminar where you will learn skills and abilities to more effectively mentor your children. You'll be able to join with other committed parents to learn how to inspire your children to gain an education where they will have impact for good, where they'll be able to maintain their allegiance to God and also gain an education of the heart and the mind. Don't forget the two things, and the first is that you've got this. You've got this because God is on your side. He's on your side because He sent you His children. He loves you and He loves them, and He'll continue to help and guide you. And the second is that mentoring is the key. So we hope to see you this summer at the Family Foundations training.